Hi guys, Riders of Bridgwater here with a Harley-Davidson Street XG750. It's a 2016 model, one owner, low mileage, completely clean, excellent condition. It's a liquid cooled bike. It's got plenty of pep about it. Very light, very low, ideal for the first bike after the test. We'll just start it up so we can hear the engine. Okay, thanks for watching. If you want more information, click on the link below the video and it will take you to our website where you'll find more pictures of the bike. See you in store soon.